Welcome friends, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to see what is hardware virtual private network. A hardware virtual private network VPN is a way to connect your home computer to the internet with a secure connection while still keeping other devices on your home network anonymous and protected. The main benefit using a VPN is that it makes it possible for you to access the internet securely and anonymously. This means that if you are in a place where you don't feel comfortable being identified by someone who might be watching you and your online activity, you can connect through an encrypted tunnel without worrying about being tracked down. A hardware VPN also has another benefit. It keeps anyone from being able to monitor or access your home network from outside of it. Because this is done through encryption, only those with the correct key can gain access, and even them only if they have permission from the everyone else on the network who has given their explicit consent. A hardware virtual private network is a special type of VPN that uses private physical networking hardware and software to create a secure connection between remote users. By using this type of VPN, user can enjoy all the benefits of traditional VPN with added benefits of being able to use their own private and secure network at home or in the office. Hardware virtual private network is a type of VPN that uses a hardware device to connect to two networks. It often uses to connect the internet and externets with the internet. The two main benefits of hardware VPN are increased security by using a dedicated VPN device to connect your network to the internet. Increased performance because using a hardware VPN device will allow you to use more bandwidth than if you connected through an ordinary router. So this is the information about hardware VPN. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks.